Please, and if you have nothing doing on this stage, go down. If you have nothing doing on this stage, go down. Go down.
We are appealing to you, Mr. President, to listen to our cry. We all voted you in Rivers State, not only the minister. Millions of Rivers youth vote you. You need to hear from us. Allow our governor to work.
The entire Rivers people, not PDP people, not APC people, not Labour Party people, the entire Rivers people, they have gathered here today and they have made their point clear. They have elected the governor, Governor similar Joseph Fubara, to provide infrastructure, to provide quality education, quality health care. It's not to protect structure.
It's something unbelievable. But we didn't know that this volume of money exists in Rivers State. But we want to say, our dear governor, you are great.
Rivers State project is our collective responsibility. As such, the workers will not afford to be complacent. We will not sit again and watch anybody intimidate this government. That is what we mean. Congress in session hereby call on the Inspector General of Police and the Rivers State Commissioner of Police to be vigilant and professional and carry out their duties in Rivers State without bias. Organized Labour wish to appreciate His Excellency Sir Simon Fubara, Justice RS, for his magnanimity in the recent promotions, including payment of a record-breaking 100,000 naira Christmas bonus set by the administration of His Excellency Dr. Peter Odili that gave civil servants 20,000 during his administration. Since Peter Odili, no government in Rivers State have paid Christmas bonus. Only paid last time 20,000 naira. But today, Sir Simon Fubara, His Excellency, has broken the record by paying 100,000 naira.
This seem alone to govern Rivers State. Any attempt, it is not a threat. We are more than 3 million youths here today. We are going to occupy all the oil facilities and we are going to shut down the economy of this country. We are going to shut down the economy of this country. We can't be walking like elephants and be eating like ants as Ijaw people, as Rivers people, as Niger Delta people. We are counting on your leadership. We know your capacity, Mr. President. Call your FCT ministers to order. We need peace. We want peace in Rivers. Eyes on.
Yeah. Not if you don't have any business on this stage, go down. This stage, not before.
Rivers workers, do we support it? Yeah. Lower your flag for enemies of Rivers State. Lower your flag. Lower your flag. Lower your flag for enemies of Rivers State. Lower your flag for enemies of Rivers State. Lower your